A two-jaw gear puller is a mechanical tool designed to make the often tricky task of removing gears, pulleys, bearings, and other similar components from a shaft or housing a breeze. Imagine you've got a stubborn gear that just won't budge, no matter how much elbow grease you apply. That's where the two-jaw gear puller comes in. With its two robust arms, or jaws, the tool clamps securely onto the gear or bearing. The central bolt of the puller, when turned, exerts a force that evenly pulls the component off its seating. It's like having a super strong friend who can grip the gear with unyielding strength and gently yet firmly coax it free. The beauty of the two-jaw design lies in its simplicity and effectiveness, making it a go-to tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Using a two-jaw gear puller can almost feel like a bit of magic. Picture yourself in your garage, working on restoring an old motorcycle. You've hit a snag because the crankshaft gear won't come off, and you're worried about damaging it. With the two-jaw gear puller, you align the jaws with the gear, tighten the central screw, and with each turn, the gear slowly and smoothly slides off, almost as if it decided on its own to cooperate. It's not just about brute force, it's about the precise application of force in just the right way. This tool transforms what could be a frustrating and time-consuming task into a satisfying, almost enjoyable experience, giving you the confidence to tackle even the most daunting mechanical challenges.